The lymphatic system, what you need to know for your medical school exams. The lymphatic system is an essential component of the immune system, responsible for fighting infections and diseases. It plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, transporting fats from the digestive system, and filtering foreign substances out of the body. The lymphatic system is composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, the thymus gland, the spleen, and the tonsils. Lymphatic vessels are similar to veins, except they carry lymph, a clear fluid that contains white blood cells throughout the body. Lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped structures that filter the lymph and trap foreign substances such as bacteria and viruses. The lymphatic system serves three main functions. First, it acts as a drainage system, removing excess fluid and waste products from the tissues and returning them to the bloodstream. Second, it is responsible for the transport of fats from the digestive system to the bloodstream. And finally, it plays a crucial role in the immune system by filtering foreign substances such as bacteria and viruses out of the body and producing white blood cells to fight infections.